Hello and welcome. Today we'll see how to download and install Shotcut video editing software. So this is an open source software which is a very powerful software unlike the other paid softwares. So in order to download and install it, we'll type Shotcut video editor and browse it in the internet and click on Shotcut home. And from the Shotcut home website, we'll see a download option. So in this Shotcut website we will click to download this one here, and in another window we will see different installers. We can see the Windows installer for Windows 10 and 11 on Intel or AMD CPU. Since I am using Windows 11 in AMD, I will click on the first one, Windows installer, and we can see that our download is starting shortly, and it should start. We can see that it has already started downloading. So we will wait until it gets finished downloading, and then we can install the shortcut. So once the download is completed, we will open the folder where it is downloaded, and we'll double click on this shortcut installer, and in this window we will select install for me only, and we'll click on next. We will leave the path as it is. Next, and we will also create desktop shortcut icon to check this one, and next, install. So this will start installing the shortcut software. It may take some time to get installed, so we will wait. It is taking time. At first it may take some time, and we'll have to wait until it gets completely installed. So we can see that completing the shortcut setup wizard, it is finished and completed. Click on the finish, and if we go back to our home window, we will see that the shortcut icon is here and the shortcut plugins are running, and it will open shortcut soon. First time it may take some time, but from the second time shortcut will open very fast. So we can see our shortcut icon, and also it has opened. And let us see by opening a video here to test if shortcut is working. Hello and
In this
welcome.
convert
Today we'll
option,
see
we'll
how to
select
download and install.
cancel.
And in order to edit a video, we'll have to create a add track, video track, you can say, and we can pull this video in the track to edit it. So we can see that our shortcut has been successfully installed and it is working, and you can edit your video as you wish. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel for another useful video. Thank you.